How to make a man fall in love with you. Are you tired of being repulsive to men? Do they just date you and then dump you? Here are things you can do to make a man fall in love with you, propose to you, get married to you, and stick to you forever. 1. Respect him. Learn to respect men from the bottom of your heart. No man can resist a woman who shows him respect. It's a huge turn-on. 2. Show gratitude. Learn to appreciate every good thing men do for you. A woman who knows how to appreciate a man has him at her beck and call. 3. Admire him. Men love to be admired. His intelligence, achievement, good looks, and career means a lot to him. 4. Praise him. Each time he does something extraordinary, lavish praise on him. Don't flatter him though, men hate flattery, it's a big turn off. 5. Don't come cheap. Don't be too desperate to get married. Men can smell it afar off and keep off. No one wants a desperate woman. 6. Have self-confidence. One surefire proof way to make a man pursue you is to have self-confidence. Confident women turn men on. You make yourself a grand prize that requires extra effort to be one. Men like to win. Your confidence makes them wants to win you. 7. Get a life. Have a career, business, vision, goals, great dreams. Men love women who do something worthwhile with their lives, not a sleeping beauty waiting for some Prince Charming to rescue her from the doldrums of poverty. No one wants to marry a liability. 8. Be friendly. Friendly women easily attract men. Learn to laugh, crack clean jokes, share intelligent conversations, and really laugh at the funny side of things. In other words, don't take life too seriously. Be fun to be with. 9. Be youthful. If you keep acting like a grandma, you will stay single for a long, long time. 10. Be beautiful. You don't need to be an Igbena Dorigo, Aishwarya Rai, Kim Kardashian, Amatilla Jalad, or Angelina Jolie before you appear beautiful. Be clean, wear clothes that fit you, eliminate body odor. Do the right hairstyle that fits your head, not the one in vogue. Avoid dry lips. Learn to trim and brush your eyebrow, avoid mouth odor, use the right perfume. Learn to look sweet and presentable. 11. Be feminine. Act like a lady, not a tomboy. Learn to sit, talk, walk, and laugh like a lady. Be feminine, be girly, let a man feel like he is with a woman, not a man. 12. Be yourself. Don't pretend to be who you are not. Lies and deceit turn a man off faster than anything else. Be real, be down to earth. If he is your God-ordained spouse, he will love you for who you are. And say no to premarital sex. I am yet to come across a man who does not doff his hat for a woman who is beautiful, confident, intelligent, yet sexually pure. Learn to treat your body with respect. Refuse to be touched inappropriately. It will increase his respect for you, and he will see you as a lady worth having, worth winning, worth pursuing, and worth getting married to.